What is going on, guys? This is Devs, and I'm back again for a video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make fireball magic or any magic in Roblox. So it's going to be a pretty easy tutorial. It's one of the easiest ways to make magic, so stay tuned and let's get into it right now. So the first thing we're going to do is go over in Starter GUI and add a local script. And then what we're going to do, we're going to go over and do first variable. It's going to be player dot players dot local player. Second variable is going to be a local user input service equals game get service user input service. We're going to say as well local remote equals game dot replicated storage dot remote, which is not there yet, but we're going to add it right now. So we're going to go over here and add a remote event and call it remote. Make sure it's spelled exactly same here and here. And if you change it here, then change it here as well, you know what I mean? So let's continue now. We're going to do uis.input begin connect function. And here we're going to do like this. And we're going to say here input. And as well we're going to do is typing. So we're going to do if is typing, then return else if then I guess well, let's just continue. Else if input equals input equals enum dot in dot key code dot e. Then let's do E can do anything, R or anything. So if input dot keycode dot keycode. So then we're gonna do print run, just so we know the event ran, and we're gonna do remote fire server. After doing that, we're gonna go over and do two spaces here, local debounce equals false. After we do local wait cool down. Sorry for the background noise, I got brothers. Cool down, alright, equals 2. So we're gonna say if debounce equals false, then we're gonna do like that. Here, right here, debounce equals true, and then right here we're gonna say wait cooldown. We're gonna do debounce equals false. Alright, here we go. Sorry about that, someone just burst into my room like the FBI, bro. Alright, let's continue. So I'm pretty sure the local script is done at this point. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna insert a script. First variable is gonna be obviously local remote equals game dot replicated storage dot remote. Let's do some spaces. Let me think. Let's just continue for now. Remote dot on server event connect function. So how are we gonna do before continuing? Let's do input. Okay, we got all that. Right here we're gonna say player, and I just do like that for now, since we're not going to be using mouse or anything yet for this tutorial. If you want a mouse tutorial, let me know in the comment section. Alright, so here we got it. So now we're gonna do just a real quick PLR, and then we got the player variable that's coming in. Alright, so perfect. Now we're gonna say local fireball equals game.workspace./clone fireball dot parent equals game.workspace fireball dot cframe, which is the position, equals player dot local humanoid root part equals player dot character dot humanoid root part. So fireball dot cframe equals dot cframe humanoid part dot cframe. So here we have it. And then what we're gonna do, we're just gonna do let's just set out right now to see what happens. Here we go. Boom. So for you, the fireball might be facing the right way, but in my case, the right way is this way, which is not the right way for me. So for you, it's probably gonna be facing the right way, but I'm gonna have to change the rotation in my case. So first test it out to see if it's the right way or not for you. It should be the right way, since I set it to C frame, which should be the rotation too. Because as you can see, it's rotating with it. It's just not the right way. So I'm gonna script that real quick. So I'm gonna do fireball dot orientation equals fireball dot orientation plus vector 3 dot new 0 minus 180 0. That should do it. Now let's see. Sorry if you have the background noise, by the way, because it's my computer kind of going crazy right now. And let's see. Alright, it's facing the right way, as you can see, but now it is not moving, even though it is facing, and has a cooldown. The cooldown is working and everything is working. So no errors except those errors which are not script errors. So okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna make the fireball go forward. So it's pretty simple. We're gonna do local let's call that velocity. Let's call it just b velocity equals instance dot new body velocity. Here we go. The body velocity, make sure it's body velocity and not body gyro or anything else. So we're gonna say b velocity dot max force equals vector 3 dot new math dot huge, since we want it to be infinite, math dot huge, and then right here let's just make it quickly parent to the fireball. So because if you don't do this, it's not gonna know which object to move. Alright, so after we're gonna do b velocity dot velocity equals we're gonna do humanoid root part dot c frame dot look vector times let's just do like 100. Alright, so this looks pretty good to me. Not sure if it's gonna be working, but guess we'll find out. And obviously if there's no errors and it's not working, then there is a nice reason why it is not working. The reason is pretty simple. It's because the part is anchored. So we're gonna go do right now is we're gonna go over here, and when it clones, we're gonna make the fireball just not be anchored. Here we go. Boom. As you can see, you have a nice fast fireball that gets out right over our humanoid root bar, which you can change for, obviously. But it looks pretty great. I'm not even gonna lie. You can even add animation to it. It's pretty simple to add animation if you wish. I could show you real quick. Let's go over here. Add a dummy. Right here he is. Now let's go over and have the animation editor. Just create clip, and let's just say you want an animation. So we start here. Let's boom, 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 boom. Let's just like do something like that. I'm not the best at animating, by the way, so don't judge. Alright, here we got this like that. So let's just position this to a better place. And after here, we actually want to this one to go this way. Oops. This way. No, see, this is gonna be the arm. That's gonna be sorta doing the fireball stuff. Oops, let me just make it like everything move a bit, since it would be kind of bad looking if nothing is moving. So yeah, this looks interesting. What about you? Look, man, I'm sorry about this. This is the best animation I can do right now. Export. I'm probably gonna do a better animation. I'm just making this fast. Submit. Copy the ID. Close. Make a script. Go in the script. Local animation equals instance dot new animation dot animation ID equals. Here we have it. Don't forget to write RBX asset ID // So we got this. Now we're gonna do real quick local anim equals anime root bar, so player dot character dot humanoid load animation animation. So now we're gonna do anim. Well, actually that's gonna be kind of delayed. Maybe we just play here. So let's see what happens. The animation should now be playing. Here we go. Okay, that was a interesting delay, but all right, now it's working, and here he goes with his awesome animation. Look, you know what? Don't judge me, all right? My animating skills are awesome, all right? Look at this. This is a masterpiece. What are you talking about? Go. It goes out right straight up the belly button. And obviously, they kind of go on forever, which we should change right now, or else your game's gonna be super laggy. So it's pretty simple to do. Let's just stop this. Go here. Have it wait for 10 seconds. Then you go fireball, destroy, and it will be gone. Or you could debris, or debris. I don't know how to pronounce that, but we're just gonna do it that way. Since we're trying to look for the simplest way to do the things right now. Next up, we're gonna make the fireball churn. As you can see, we want it to still look pretty good, so we want it to churn. By churn, let me show you right now. By churn, I mean, yo, get out of here. We're gonna be making it churn like this while it's going, you know what I mean? So it just looks a bit more alive. So it's pretty simple to do so. 2 spaces, local, tween service, equals game, get service, tween service. So as you can see here, we got a tween service. We're gonna say local tween, or local info equals tween info dot new. Number of time 10 seconds. Enum dot easing style dot easing direction. My bad. Easing style dot linear. Actually, to say here, they're so noisy. Enum dot easing direction dot out. And lastly, we're gonna say, never mind, not lastly, here, false, and 0. That should be perfect. Obviously here it tells you everything to put. This is the 10, how much time it will take. Linear is a style, which is a way we'll tween. Enum.easing direction is a direction, pretty simple. Here's how much times it will repeat. Here's whether it will come back to its original position, and here's the delay, so we want none of that. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna say local goals equals, make a table, and we're gonna say orientation equals vector 3 dot new. We're gonna say 0 0 and we're gonna say 700. That is the 1000. Here we go. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna say, let's go here, local fireball tween equals tween service create fireball, comma, info, comma, goals. So those are, this is the info, this is the goals, and this is the fireball. So we want the enum to play, and we want the fireball tween to play. So here we go, guys. Let's see if the fireball is now turning around like the wheels on a bus. Now let's see. Yes, sir. I don't know if you saw that, but of course it is turning now. So it is looking much better. It's kind of hard to see though. Wait. Oh my god, it's hard to see. Yeah, you probably saw that. Well, as you can see as well, it's deleting. After 10 seconds or so, it's deleting. It's going pretty far. Let's say I want to hit this dummy up real quick. Hey, I have aimbot, guys. So basically as well, we're gonna make it take damage right now, and that's the last thing we're gonna do for this tutorial. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna say fireball. So last thing we do is right here, fireball dot touched connect function. Oh my god, why are they screaming like this? Connect function. Let me think. Alright. Sometimes I just freeze for no reason. If hit dot parent find first child humanoid, then at this point we can just make the humanoid take damage. We're just do humanoid take damage dot health, my bad. Actually no, dot, well, let's just do it equals minus, I don't know, damage. So let's make a value called damage. Why am I making a value called damage and not just putting random damage? Is because if you want to modify it, then you're welcome to. That's way too much. Sounds good. Minus damage. So here we go, guys. Let's see if if this can work. Got a dummy here. Oh dang, I forgot the fact that obviously it is touching yourself. So how to not damage yourself? That's a question I got asked by several persons, and no, I'm not stupid. I know how to do that. All right, don't bully me. All right, man. So it's pretty simple. We're gonna say first of all, if hit dot parent equals player dot character, then return. That's what I'm talking about. You see that? That's what I call no damage for myself. Let's go, the baby. What am I doing? What am I doing, man? Alright, man. So this is how you do it. Make a fireball with animation, with damage. It won't damage yourself. All that stuff. There was a pretty advanced tutorial we did today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe, because I just took off, I don't know, 30 minutes of my day right now. I always try hard working, but you know what I'm saying, guys. I'm doing this just for you. So make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. So this is Blox Devs, and I'll see you next time. Peace out, scripters.